Hisener Self-Tapping Screws are the ideal choice for light steel structure installations.
Manufactured with specialized carburized steel, our self-tapping screws achieve high surface hardness while maintaining excellent core hardness, ensuring no breakage risk during construction. We offer sizes compliant with multiple standards. Whatever you need, we can produce. Whether for factory roof installation or enclosure structure fitting,
Hisener self-tapping screws precisely adapt to connection requirements and stand up to complex outdoor environments with ease. Hisener self-tapping screws provide reliable connection support, making them your premium choice.